Hello everyone. Welcome to Ava Talks Crypto. I'm your host, Ava, and I'll be delivering all the hottest and latest news happening in the crypto space. For today's top stories, Bitcoin price skyrockets to $35,000 as ETF excitement grows. BlackRock could invest seed money in spot Bitcoin ETF by end of October. Crypto traders suffer over $100 million in short liquidations as Bitcoin hits 3-month high. Ethereum on the move to $2,000 as Ethereum DeFi TVL rises to $21 billion. If this is your first time watching our videos, Ava Talks Crypto is a YouTube channel dedicated to delivering all the hottest and latest news happening in the crypto world. We also upload daily market report videos for traders and investors to have a closer look at Bitcoin's daily market performance. Before we begin, please support what we do by giving this video a huge thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. Make sure you also hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any groundbreaking news stories that may have a significant effect on the crypto market. You can also press the share button to let your friends know about us. Lastly, we'd like to know what you think, so don't forget to leave a comment below. Now, let's move on and discuss today's headlines. To kick things off, the Bitcoin price skyrocketed on Monday as it briefly touched the $35,000 level. Expert market analysts believe that the growing excitement over the SEC's approval of spot Bitcoin ETF applications may have been the driving force behind this. According to the crypto community, October may have finally arrived. Referring to October being historically a bullish month for cryptocurrency, Bitcoin was seen breaking through the $34,000 mark for the first time since May 2022. The Bitcoin surge marked a staggering 14% gain in the past 24 hours. On October 23, Bitcoin's price suddenly spiked upward, with BTC gaining more than 10%. At that time, Bitcoin was trading at around the $31,000 level. With the sudden spike, it was seen trading at over the $34,000 level. Within 2 hours after breaking the $34,000 level, Bitcoin was seen reaching its highest since May 2022 after briefly hitting the $35,300 level. At the moment, Bitcoin is trading at the price of $34,550. According to reports, the sudden price uptick for Bitcoin was because of a fresh wave of interest and excitement for the upcoming spot ETF approvals. A significant increase in overall trading volumes across spot markets was also witnessed, which further fueled the excitement. The surge also came amid developments related to BlackRock's proposed spot Bitcoin ETF. Analyst Scott Johnson posted on X to point to 2 new pieces of information that could possibly hint that a spot Bitcoin ETF approval is getting closer for BlackRock. In his post, Johnson stated that BlackRock had secured a specific CUSIP license and may soon begin the process of seeding their spot ETF product with cash as early as this month. Responding to his post was senior Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Balchunas, who noted that seeding an ETF typically does not take a lot of money. He went on to explain that the amount would just be enough to get an ETF going. However, he did admit that this is a good sign and marks it as another step in the process of launching. Bitcoin's sudden surge in price also came with a significant growth in Bitcoin's spot trading volume. At the time of this report, spot trading volume had surged to more than $35 billion over the past 24 hours. This marks a gain of 241% in the same time period, according to the data. While Bitcoin enjoyed the largest price impulse, the general tide of upward price momentum also lifted other cryptocurrencies. Ethereum's native currency, Ether, grew by about 7%. Solana also gained a whopping 11%. Dogecoin was also up by 8%, and Cardano did lag slightly and experienced a slight gain of 5%. The sudden uptick appeared to have left some crypto market commentators and community members perplexed, and they posted on X to express their surprise. Zooming out from the immediate price action, there seemed to be a favorable setup for the sudden growth in the price of cryptocurrencies. In related news, BlackRock could be investing seed money in a spot Bitcoin ETF by the end of October. According to Bloomberg analyst Eric Balchunas, he noted that recent filings suggest that BlackRock intends to contribute seed funding at an unspecified date in October. He went to explain that ETF seeding occurs when an entity purchases a limited number of creation units in exchange for ETF shares. In this case, BlackRock would be buying an amount of Bitcoin to start the fund. If the purchase takes place before the end of the month, it will imply that BlackRock expects to launch the fund reasonably soon. However, BlackRock has not publicly confirmed that any such purchase has been completed or is underway. The company's filing also does not specify a price or an exact date. While the amount and date are not specified, the filing is a positive sign that BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETF application may soon get approved by the SEC. BlackRock is the largest asset manager in the world. It is also the largest asset manager to apply for a spot Bitcoin ETF. BlackRock was one of the first financial firms to submit an application for a spot Bitcoin ETF in June. This action from BlackRock also prompted other firms to apply for similar funds. While there is growing optimism around Bitcoin ETFs, which would eventually provide mainstream and institutional investors with a regulated way to access Bitcoin, the US SEC has yet to approve such a fund. Moving on, the recent Bitcoin price surge took many leveraged traders by surprise. Crypto traders suffered over $100 million in short liquidations as Bitcoin hit a 3-month high. According to reports, crypto derivatives traders have endured over $150 million of liquidations over the past 24 hours as rapidly surging digital asset prices caught many off guard. Most of the positions wiped out were worth about $110 million. They were leveraged shorts, or traders who bet that prices would fall. According to the data, this was the second largest amount of short liquidations in any day since late August. Bitcoin traders were hit by $55 million of liquidations, and it was predominantly those who shorted its price. Ethereum traders were also hit by roughly $29 million in liquidations. Speculators also suffered over $9 million in liquidations. The liquidations occurred as Bitcoin rallied 4% to surpass the $31,000 mark for the first time since July. Most of the altcoins also soared, with Link, Matic, and DOT posting 6% to 10% increases. In other news, the Ethereum price may be on the move to $2,000 as Ethereum DeFi TVL rises to $21 billion. Uptubber also seems to have come for Ethereum as Ethereum DeFi TVL rises to $21 billion. Market experts predict that Ethereum may soon break through the $1,700 mark, which could quickly close the gap to $2,000. According to market experts, the Ethereum price is on the verge of breaking out and closing in on the coveted psychological resistance set at $2,000. Interest in the largest smart contracts token has continued to increase as Bitcoin reclaims $31,000 in support. The crypto community is anticipating continued bullish action across the market, with Ethereum following closely in the footsteps of the bellwether cryptocurrency and starting the second recovery phase beyond $2,000. According to expert market analysts, Ethereum completed the formation of a double bottom pattern following a rebound from support at $1,530, which currently awaits validation at $1,745. Additionally, the presence of two golden cross patterns formed when the 21-day exponential moving average, or EMA, crossed above the 1,000-day EMA and subsequently above the 200-day EMA. Experts say that this hints at the uptrend's continuation. If traders keep their buy orders open, they are likely to build momentum for a 12.25% breakout to hit $1,958. Following the breakout, analysts predict that trading volume is expected to surge significantly as traders seek fresh exposure to Ethereum above the neckline resistance. The $2,000 mark would be a game changer for Ethereum bulls and might be the catalyst that the token has been waiting for to start a bull run. On the downside, failure to retain support at the $1,670 level and $1,630 level could trigger another sell-off to approximately $1,550. Despite the lengthy crypto winter, investors have maintained exposure to DeFi products within the Ethereum ecosystem. These are all the latest news stories happening in the crypto world. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Before you go, don't forget to check out our latest market report videos to take a look at Bitcoin's daily market performance. Again, this is Ava, from Ava Talks Crypto. Thanks for watching, and take care.